Welcome back, Tom. I heard that our 906 weather watcher is one of my favorites today.
Yes.
Is you?
Yes. And I got an example to show. You want to see lake effect snow developing?
Yes, I can see it right now.
Yeah,
it's
and
gorgeous.
A sunrise here. Check this out. You can see this is US 2, US 41 in between Gladstone and Escanaba, and you can see a cold, very cold sunrise this morning. I took this on the way to an event this morning I was going to in the Escanaba area, but you can see the sunrise. What I want to show you though is, see this steam? This is Little Bay de Noc here. The steam starting to rise, and then further on downstream here, these are lake effect clouds that are starting to develop. The warm air off the relatively warmer waters of Big Bay de Noc starting to rise, going over the relatively warmer waters of Lake Michigan. There's your clouds developing. Then eventually it is lake effect snow across the northern lower peninsula. But look at that sunrise, just beautiful there. But it was a cold sunrise for Escanaba. 2 degrees below zero was the low this morning. 2 this morning in Iron Mountain, 1 at Marquette, Sawyer, Gwinn. Everybody made it into the teens today, including 12 at the National Weather Service in Negaunee Township officially, but it was 4 this morning for a low temperature. Marquette at the U.S. Coast Guard 17 and 7 were today's high and low temperatures. Here's your next Clipper system on the way through, currently approaching the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. Temperatures not as cold as last evening. We have temperatures that are generally right around 10 above or the teens. We're at 22 for Manistee, but that good southwesterly wind is definitely putting a bite in the air. We do have a wind chill of 10 below zero, Marquette, Sawyer, Gwinn, and 3 below zero as we look at Escanaba's wind chill. There's your southwesterly wind gusts in between 25 and 35 miles per hour. There's your lines, isobars packed in. That means we got a good southwesterly wind. Here comes our next Clipper system moving through tonight. Think fast, because here comes our next Clipper system tomorrow evening. We may have some snow flying around for the holiday parades in Escanaba and Marquette tomorrow evening. Behind this Clipper system, we get some colder air for the weekend, along with some lake effect snow. High pressure builds into the region. I think on Sunday, it'll be clear and dry for the Packers-Bears game on Sunday evening, but bundle up, layer up if you're heading, because it is going to be cold down there with wind chills in the single digits. As we look at the snow amounts here, they're going to be on the lighter side as we go through tonight on into Friday afternoon and also Friday night. But as we head towards the weekend, we may add up the lake effect in the Keweenaw Peninsula and also the snow belts east of Marquette. Near steady temperatures tonight in the teens. Tomorrow we head into the 20s. And as we look at Marquette's next 7 days, 25 for your Friday, but definitely a cold weekend with highs in the teens.